Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are still in Portland. Yes, viewers and subscribers, if you're new, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. When you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell, put it on all, so that when we drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. So you know what they do. Like, comment and share. You get what I say? So we say we're still in Portland, Hector's River to be exact. You know what I say? Finish up Portland, you know, viewers and subscribers. And I spoke to one of his supervisors, team leader, which is Whitehead, and he told me that the next destination, I believe, is in St. Thomas, Cedar Valley. So look out for that video. When you subscribe to the channel, you will see what's going on, you know, viewers and subscribers. Yes, man. So they might finish up Portland now. Not much, not too left, you know, just maybe but just some little touching up and maybe less than a day work left. So them soon finish up Portland, and as me say, spoke to the supervisor, as I can see, cement and asphalt. Them around the work, and them around the place, and them up on the ground, you know. Yeah, man, viewers and subscribers. So you don't know, you know what they do, you know, as me say, you know. And if you're up, just press the thumbs up, man, and show me sound up. So them say the next destination is St. Thomas to be exact. So let us hope and pray, and for you to subscribe, me say, when we see where the next destination is. So as you can see, there's not much left in Portland, and them done a great road. So the whole are from St. Thomas side to Portland, the whole of the part there. Smooth, pretty road for do what you want to do upon it. Now do the craziness now, you know. Do motorists, don't do the craziness now. Not because you get the road, you can do as you like, do the right thing. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? Yeah, man, so just continue to watch this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Bless up to each and everyone. Manners. Viewers, I'm done telling you already, you know, say cement and asphalt, them will get a lot of work. So most of the work, them will go up on the ground, and them will do the work. Because I'm telling you already, say cement and asphalt, them will perform some good work. So I'm done say it already. Who to tell? Them are going to be the #1 asphalt team in Jamaica if them continue to work like this. So big up yourself, you know, cement and asphalt. Whitehead and the whole team, you know, big up on yourself again. Keep on doing what you're doing. Keep on doing the good work that you're doing. So viewers and subscribers, as I can see, come to the end of another video, you know. So bless up to each and everyone, you know. I'm out.